Hey everybody, Dennis here. Today we're going to be working on this 2007 Chevy Silverado. We're going to be replacing the driver's door handle, the exterior handle. Show y'all why. As you can see, it is broken. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. So, stay tuned. If I can get this freaking camera to work right. So here is the part for this truck. They had several different options for this part. They had chrome plated, they had black. I don't believe they had any painted. Of course, paint's usually a special order type thing anyway. And I believe they had one with key and one without. But also because this is a 2007, they had 2007 Classic and 2007 New Body Style. And even though I told them New Body Style, they still sent me the one for the Classic body. So anyway, get this thing out of the bag. You can kind of see. You see, whoop, that way, where the handle broke off. There's the keyhole. Alright, so job number one, get the door panel off. Okay, so it's been a minute since I've had to pull one of these door panels off these Chevy pickups, but there are several trim pieces that have to come off from before you can pull the door panel off. That pops off straight out from what I remember. Under the door handle here, you gotta get this trim piece off, if I remember correctly. And then there's one hidden behind the grab handle. There's also this one here. There's actually a spot at the bottom that pops and the whole thing comes off, and there's some screws behind there so you can get the switch off, and also right there. And I will set y'all up on the tripod as best I can. Just it's raining, so can't have the camera getting wet. Watch out for that flying trim. It. Okay, so get a trim stick if you have one, which I don't have one. Get behind the door panel down there in the corner, and you should be able to get just enough of a gap, and either use your fingers or the trim stick, or the combo of both, and pop the door panel like so. Once you pop it, lift it off. wire harness. Let me go ahead and lift it back up. Alright, let me show you this because I could not do this and show y'all at the same time. Here's the cable for the door handle. You're going to have to squeeze these two tabs either with a pair of needle nose pliers or a screwdriver or something. Yeah, squeeze those two tabs, pull that out of the door handle, then you can take the ball out of the socket. And here's the back of the handle where it goes in. Let me flip this door panel. Here is the hole that the two ears go through. They'll be on this side right here. And there's the socket that the ball goes in. Alright, let me see if I can show y'all what I have done. There is a door lock cylinder right there. There is a clip. Looks just like this one, this metal clip. I was able to pop it off going that way with a screwdriver. The reason I did that is, I don't know if you can see it. There's a red clip on the end of that cylinder. That's where the rod attaches. And if you break that, you're probably going to be buying a whole latch assembly because those parts don't usually come separate. So what we're going to have to do is there's a bolt right there, if I can get the light on it, right there. We got to undo, and then there is another one right there, and then the door handle should pretty much pop straight off. Now I'm gonna try to wrestle this off holding the camera. I still have the door cable holding it, but it's kind of difficult to get to. See, there's the cylinder. There is the red clip. Alright, see, there we go. That's what I'm going to do. Let's see. Yep, it's got one of those little compression clips too. And those are bad about breaking. But the new part comes with it, so I ain't that worried about it. Let me see here. Probably about to break this when I get it off. Okay, so it's pretty well identical to that cable on the door lock, or the door handle, excuse me, on the inside. You gotta squeeze those two tabs together, and then get a screwdriver and pop it apart. So my plan is to get it back on the rod for the handle, get it in place, at least get the bolt started, and push the cylinder back in, I believe that's going to work. I guess we'll find out. Hope I still got that on video. Alright, so it went precisely as I had hoped. I got the 2 screws started, and then let's see if you can see. It'll focus on the lock cylinder back there. I was able to get it lined up, and then through this hole right here, dead shot with a flat tip screwdriver, and it locked it right in place with that little clip. Which, let's see, here's the hole in right here. So yeah, so just install everything back in the reverse order, and I'll show you all the final product here in a minute. Alright, so here she is all put back together. Moment of truth, huh? Whole lot nicer than the other one. And make sure everything still works. That should be locked. That's unlocked. Yep, shell works. Thank y'all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.